Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the Multi-Lift Extended Reach shown with a dock surface mount to get a user from a wheelchair on a dock down into the driver's seat of a boat. This particular boat has a wake tower, so we're going to be showing you how to maneuver around the wake tower. Makes it a little bit more complicated, but it can be done. There are other videos in the notes field down below that you'll definitely want to check out that will show, for example, how to place the sling, how to use the same lift to get into the water, how to get into the front of the boat, and how to get into the back of the boat, as well as many other videos on our YouTube channel at youtube.com/accessun, showing you thousands of uses literally for the multi-lift system. So our first step here is going to be to connect the leg straps. They go in the center. The arm straps go under the arms. I'd like to give a little shout out to Lenore, whose dock and boat this is, who's going to show us how this is done here. So you'll notice we have these links here. They're all custom configured by our design department, and each of them will be just a little different for each boat and each situation. So now I'm stepping down into the boat. I'm going to lower the user. Once I get all the way down, you'll notice there's some Velcro right there so that when you got to do some maneuvering, gives you the opportunity to do that. Once we get into position here, we're going to try to get right over the seat. We actually end up moving the boat a little bit here because of the wake tower. Okay, get the legs positioned under the steering wheel. And we are right down in the socket here. Next job is to disconnect straps, raise the lift, and I think Lenore is ready to hit the water. Access Unlimited is 100% dedicated to the idea that you deserve mobility in the way that you want, literally in the vehicle or the boat that you want for a reasonable price with lots and lots of flexibility. If you follow that philosophy and you'd like to learn more about our company, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on YouTube with over 4,000 videos at youtube.com/accessun. Follow us on Twitter at accessun. We're on Instagram at Access Unlimited, one word, Pinterest, Access Unlimited, two words. Contact us on our website at www.accessunlimited.com or give us a call the old-fashioned way at 1-607-669-4822, Eastern Standard Time in the United States, country code 1. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-615-873-0518. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. And check out those other videos in the notes field down below.